Have you ever wanted to use a custom HTML page with a WordPress site inside of HighLevel? This is a pretty unique use case, but a lot of us have existing HTML pages or code documents that we want to use as a website page inside of WordPress with HighLevel. So today I'll show you how you can upload an HTML file into the WordPress builder to create a new HTML page using your files with WordPress and HighLevel. To do this, all you have to do is navigate to Sites, WordPress, and then go into your existing site. If you don't have a site already, you can activate WordPress and create one from scratch. Now, when we go to manage this website, we can see over towards the right our pages button. And when we click this, we can see our different pages that are in our WordPress site. And all we have to do to upload an HTML page is click Upload New HTML Page. Now, when we click to upload our new page, we can give our page a name. So we'll call this test page, and then we'll add in our slug, which is just the URL endpoint for this website page. Then we can upload our file by clicking upload. And then once we have selected our HTML file, we can click confirm and preview. This will load the HTML document into our HighLevel/WordPress builder so we can take a look and see what this page looks like. And then if we want to upload more pages, we can click upload more pages. And when we're ready to go, we can click publish, and this will add it to our WordPress site. And once the page is published, we will see it back under our pages screen. We'll see our updated date, the status, the page, the slug of it. And then on the right-hand side, we can click the three dots to either view the page, edit the page, or delete this HTML page within the WordPress builder. If you have any questions about how to add HTML pages to the WordPress builder itself, refer to the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.